chairs. Now it is quite difficult to do a review on a chair purely for the size, because doing the unboxing can be quite challenging, but we're going to give it a go again. So give me a second while I get the chair, or I should say while I get the box that the chair is in. Now there's a bit of damage there. That's how it turned up. So I'm hoping it's just the box that is damaged. Fingers crossed. It says net weight is £36, just in case you need to know. And the dimensions, and I'm taking that's for the box as well, is 29.5, 15, 25.6 inches. Let's get it out of the box, shall we? It also says that when using a knife, be a little bit on the careful side so you don't damage the materials inside, which hopefully I won't. Let me put it on the floor, because like I said, it's a little bit on the big side and it's difficult to do an unboxing of something so big. We'll do our best. Right, let's go through some of the pros and cons of this chair and why you might want to buy it or might not want to buy it. Now, first things first, it came with some extra bits, which is a bonus. So it came with 2 extra bolts and the little covers, and just in case you lose one. You never know. That's a bonus. It actually comes with the tool, which again is a bonus. And the last time I've done one of their chairs, this company's chairs, it also came with the tool plus the spare parts and the instructions. Very easy to follow. I didn't really need the instructions for this chair because there's only a few bits and I found it quite easy to build, and it only took me approximately 15 to 20 minutes without rushing. Considering I should have read the instructions first like you're supposed to, but I thought, no, do I really need the instructions? It's very easy to assemble, you can't really go wrong. Now, One of the things I do like about it is very comfortable to start with, and it's quite high. My feet are just barely touching the floor at full height, which is a little bit unusual nowadays, because you find a lot of computer chairs are quite low, even when you extend them back up. Now it does have up and down, of course, like you would expect. It does have the locking mechanism. If you push it in, it won't go back. Pull it out and it will go back. It has slumber support, which is on this little pump here, and yeah, it does work. You just pump it and you can feel it going up, and if you want to release it, there's a little release button there and you can feel it going back down again. And like I said, it does work. And the chair is very comfortable. Nice arms, plenty of cushion, considering this is only about 150 to 170, 180 pounds to buy new. It is very comfortable. And one other thing, you know, when you push it backwards and forwards, you do have an adjustment to increase the tension or reduce the tension for pushing it backwards and forwards, which I haven't touched, by the way. I've just left it as it was on the default setting, whatever that was. Like I said, comfortable. It's very comfortable. Not sure how it's going to get on in the summer when you start sweating or it gets too hot. Luckily, I've got aircon, so it shouldn't be a problem. Now, some of the things you might not like, or one thing you might not like, is the arms. Don't get me wrong, they're very comfortable, but they're not adjustable. They're fixed. You can lift them up and down, but that is it. They do not go any further, so it's up or down. Like I said, that is it. There's no headrest. But this is an office chair, not something like a gaming chair or nothing like that. It's an office chair. But I can't really find any other faults with it. It's easy to build, about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Like I said, I didn't actually time it, but it didn't take me long. And it's very comfortable. And quiet, by the way. Something else you might want to bear in mind, the quietness. Some chairs do squeak. There's no squeaky. And that is it. Like I always do, I will put a link in the video description for you to go and check it out in case you decide you want to buy one. They might be affiliated links, they might not be, but it doesn't cost you any more money if you use my links. They are exactly the same price as if you went there yourself to buy it. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell for notifications. Like I said, it's very comfortable. Thank you very much for watching.